Hi folks, this is your instructor Leanne Dickerson. This orientation briefly shows you how to access our course content, the lessons, discussions, tests, and assignments within our course. You have arrived at this video by following the link inside our first day or by clicking on the Learning Module 1 button in the left-hand menu and then opening the video that you found here. This English 101 course content is divided into 4 modules. If you prefer, you can think of modules like units in a textbook. Buttons for learning modules 2 through 4 will appear here when we get to that point. We are on the Module 1 homepage. On each module homepage, you'll find an overview description of the module. Inside, you'll find the duration dates of the module, a quick view of due dates and assignments within that module, and the learning objectives for the unit. You'll need to scroll down to see them all. Every module includes 1 test and 1 writing assignment. Modules 1 through 3 include short grammar and style quizzes as well. You'll find shortcuts to those items on every module homepage. I have those shortcuts here now so that you can see what they're going to look like, but you won't have these shortcuts available on your homepage until they're assigned within a lesson and you actually need them. Each module consists of 3 to 5 weeks of lessons, and the place to start every week is inside that week's lesson. You can find those lessons by clicking on the lesson week number and dates. The first week is available to you now. Inside every week, you'll find a table of contents, which can serve as your checklist of the things we'll accomplish in the week. The week begins with an overview of the objectives and any important dates within the week. When it's time to take the test or submit the writing assignment in a module, you'll find your first notification here in plenty of time, and you'll find details in this list. Because you might be in and out of those test and writing assignment and quiz areas several times, that's when you might wish to use the shortcuts on the homepage to get to those major items quickly. Each item in this list is something to read, listen to, watch, and do. Select an activity in this list by clicking on it in the table of contents. The item will open to the right. If there's a document you must access or a link you must follow to complete the item, you'll find instructions on the page for linking to or discovering that material. Any links will allow you to download files, open up pop-up windows, take you to other areas within our course shell, or travel out into the World Wide Web. All weeks open on Mondays. It is recommended, but not entirely necessary, that you accomplish the week's tasks in the order that you find them in the table of contents. Discussions begin on Thursdays, and your first discussion post every week is due on Thursdays by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll be reminded of Thursday due dates in the week's beginning description and in the item itself. All other materials inside a week must be completed by the week's end on Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At that time, the next week will become available on the homepage, and that's how we'll make progress through this class toward your goals of successfully completing English 101 and moving closer to your degree. Contact me immediately if you have any difficulties. Email is best, ldickerson0026@kctcs.edu. Check your kctcs.edu email account and the announcements page often, and I'll e-talk to you on the discussion boards soon. This is Leanne Dickerson, signing off.